Alright guys, this video we're just going to make a quick video on how to replace the back cover that usually falls off of these Galaxy Active 2 watches. So the replacement parts are here. You can buy these at either eBay, Amazon, or anywhere online. They run about $20 for the back cover. And then this little sticker, it's pretty much the tape that will attach this to the back. So a lot of people have been complaining about the back cover coming off due to heat and after use, and that's exactly what happened to this one. Not sure where the old cover went, but just noticed that it ended up missing one day. Now when you buy the replacement covers, they don't have any instructions, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually install it onto the back. So obviously the first thing we're going to have to do is if it's already coming off or something like that and you want to remove the old one, do that. But once it's removed, you're going to want to clean off all the inside here where the old glue or tape was at. So we'll do that first. So once we get most of that gunk out of there, I'm going to use a alcohol pad to clean around the edges where the tape's actually going to go. So you can find those anywhere. So here you go, we just cleaned up the outside with the alcohol pad, just a little alcohol prep pad. You can find those anywhere, Walmart, Amazon, anywhere that they sell any kind of first aid or electronic cleaning supplies. So here's the next step. As you can see, the little cover has this little tab here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this little tab. Once that is removed, you're going to want to remove, there's two sides to this, so you're going to want to remove the outer side, the one that has the red. You remove the red part, and then once that red part is removed, you're going to attach it to the back side of this. So remove this red piece and then put it on top. So let's go ahead and do that. So remove this. So there you have it. So this is just going to take a little bit of patience, get it right on there. As you can see, you still have this plastic piece here. So you can see the adhesive is on the back. Just push down on it a little, and so when that is done, this comes off. And then this cover goes on top. So here it is. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Just give it time to sit in there and adhere a little bit better. I'd say give it a couple hours, 12 hours before you actually put it on and go for a run or anything like that. That's going to get it all sweaty. So hope that helped you out. If it did, please hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.